Maganda magamit, magaling din siyang magbasa. Yan. Ganda. Tago mo na, tago mo na.
Her medicine's cheap.
Yeah, because you have insurance. Did you use your insurance? Yeah. Did you call I'm gonna send you? And then you have to be copy for your divorce papers and then marriage contract. Copy, that's original.
Yeah, I got both.
And everything's gonna be changed.
I'll get it today, probably in the mail.
Ganda ng video ka, mas mabuti ka kung i-picturean mo sa droga para makita sa Philippines. That's for, and then,
My medicine's
when you get a job, after 1 year, you can refinance your house, and then you guys together the name to the house. That's just your name.
No, it's our house.
And then you have to get your life insurance. You have to do that.
Yeah,
Because me, I have that.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Just in case.
Okay.
Because you never know.
Well, yeah, it's money. Go back to the
Pero kami,
No, you're not gonna die. Yeah.
My blood pressure's been the lowest it's been in 15 months.
Hold on.
hey,
Way down.
So now, how many kids you want? Dozen?
No.
7? Every year. Every year, huh? Listen to your mom every year.
Bye-bye.
Okay, because her mom's gonna come here, take her the baby.
I'm just
No problem. 7 is good. Lucky 7. Lucky number 7. My number is 7.
Is there such a thing as a perfect Valentine?
No.
Yeah, napatay ko.
I don't know what we're gonna get.
Yeah. Maybe not.
Maybe one.
May post-it ka din? Ha? Hindi, ang pangit na kasi papasahin mo ito eh. Patuloy natin. Ano papasahin mo ito? Hindi yan. Kabila. Pwede ka naman. Kasi masisira ka eh.